Hi, everybody. I hope you're all enjoying the show tonight. And, you know, it's our magic show night. That's where everything we're doing has something to do with magic. But before we go on, it's time for a new segment here at Showbiz. It's called Letters to Looney Bird. And that's where he's going to answer all kinds of questions that you all send in about us here at Showbiz. So, without further delay, here's Looney Bird.
Thanks, Billy Bob, for that great introduction. Now, it's time for Letters to Looney Bird. So, here we go. Music, please. And now, Showbiz Pizza Place proudly presents Letters to Looney Bird, an in-depth look at characters, places, and even some other characters here at Showbiz Pizza Place. Your host for today is none other than me, the world-renowned and also very famous Looney Bird, respected throughout the world for my achievements in journalistic reporting and other stuff. So please, stop the music. Thank you. Our first letter is from 7-year-old Will Forrester of Memphis, Tennessee. And Will writes, Dear Looney Bird, how are you? I am fine. Thank you for reading my letter. Here is my question. It's for Billy Bob. How come when he walks around, he wears shoes, but when he's on stage, he doesn't? Please explain this to me. I want to know very much. Love, Will. Well, Billy Bob, got an answer for that one?
Well, first I'd like to say to Will that that's a very good question. And I can tell that he must be a very observant young man. A lot of people would never have noticed that I don't wear shoes on stage, and that I do when I'm walking around. Well, the reason for that is that I like to go barefooted when I'm singing, you know, because look, you can see how long my toenails are, and when I'm not wearing shoes, they help keep me from falling off the stage. And when I'm walking around Showbiz, I wear shoes because it's the polite thing to do when people are eating. I hope this answers your question all right.
Thanks, Billy Bob. That was great. Hey, I never knew that thing about the shoes. I guess you learn something new every day. Well, that's it for this segment of Letters to Looney Bird. So, thanks, Will, and remember to keep those questions coming. How was that? Did I do okay?
You did just great, Looney Bird. And now how about our song?
Yeah, okay, great. What is it?
Little Arrows.
No, Billy Bob. We can't do Little Arrows.
Well, how come, Looney Bird?
Well, because that's not a song. That's not about magic. You know, it's got to be something about magic. The manager said so. Only magic songs tonight, and that's it.
Well, Looney Bird, it's a song about love and that tingly little magical feeling you get inside, you know, when you fall in love. That feeling where you just don't want to be away from your sweetheart. You know, it feels like magic and it's better than magic. What do you think? Can we bend the rules this one time?
No way.
Well, do you ever want to do another segment of Looney Bird's letters? Or whatever you called it?
Yeah, down here at the bottom of this memorandum from the manager, it says, P.S. Billy Bob can do little arrows if he wants to.
I thought so. Little boy shooting arrows in the blue, and he's aiming them at someone, but the question is who? Is it me or is it you? It's hard to tell until you hit, but you'll know it when they hit you, 'cause they hurt a little bit. Here they come pouring out of the blue, little arrows for me and for you. They're falling in love again, falling in love again. Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. If you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere. Little arrows that will hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody every now and then. Well, some folks run, others hide, but there ain't nothing they can do. And some folks put on armor, but the arrows go straight through. So you see, there's no escape, so why not face it and admit that you love those little arrows when they hurt a little bit. Here they come, pouring out of the blue. Little arrows for me and for you. You're falling in love again, falling in love hit you once again. Little arrows that hit everybody.